Hey guys, today I'm with my GoPro again, and I'm visiting Antelope Island State Park. So, yeah. The view is very, very beautiful, the mountains. Yeah. So this is the land of the buffaloes. The buffaloes used to live here, and they still do. There used to be millions of them, so many, but the Indian tribes, they used them for everything. They killed them for sport, they used them for their tents, they ate them, they hunted them, and the buffalo community grew very low. And then the Europeans, the white people, came to America, and they knew that if they kill all the buffaloes, that the Native Americans will starve to death. But right now, there's not a lot of buffaloes. There used to be so much of them. They were roaming free everywhere. But right now, it's illegal to kill them, and they are protected in this area. So yeah. This is the beautiful lake that you get. It's the Salt Lake, Great Salt Lake. And yeah, I'm about to open the window and show you guys it without the window, so you won't be able to hear me, but... And it smells awful here. It's all because of the salt. So right now we're on Buffalo Point. About to see the view to the lake. We just ate at the restaurant. They have a cool restaurant here. This is like the picnic area, I guess, and the deck at the same time, so. Yeah, the view is very, very nice. Here it is, we're on one of the tallest peaks in Antelope Island. We have a very, very nice view of all around. And yes, this is an island. This is one side, and that's the other. Do you guys see the buffalo? They're over there. It might be hard to see, but all those black little specks, they're all buffalo. They're cool, aren't they? So, a long, long time ago, people settled here in the middle of the island and made a ranch. This ranch is 130 years old. It's very old. This is the equipment they used. It's in the middle of Antelope Island. Here's a text about something. Fieldingar Ranch, timeline of history. So it's 133 years. You guys can pause the video and read this if you want. I'm not gonna read it, I'm too lazy. Anyways, yeah. I guess this is the houses that they lived in. That right there. Yeah. So I found this really cool knife in this ranch. It actually works as a knife. This is the knife that they used. a long time ago. This is their well, I guess. It obviously doesn't work anymore. But it used to work. So, yeah. This is the house that they live in. But this was a very long time ago. This was like the 1940s. That's their shower. This is like their bathing place. It's the bathroom, very rusty. And then this is their kitchen. Yeah, I would think that this is their kitchen. Also very poor. I'm not sure, maybe even in this time, in the 1940s, this would be counted as rich. But I should count it as poor. And the final dining room. So over there, right there, that's where they slept. I guess that's a fur on the wall. This is their dining table. And that's a bedroom, maybe? Here, I'm pretty sure that's a bedroom. I'm gonna have to do that. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go. This is kind of weird, but I'm gonna go in here and spy through the window. Pretty sure that's their bedroom. Anyways, next, this is their storage room, I would think. So, this little place is their storage room. It's really tempting to go in here, but I'm just gonna show you guys. They kept all kinds of stuffs in here. So yeah. And then if you go up, this is probably where their like workers lived. Or no, actually I think this is where their slaves lived. These beds. I know it's bad that I went through there, but whatever. I want to feel how their beds feel. Oh God. If I had to sleep on that bed at least one night, I feel like my back would literally shatter. These are obviously new tables. And then the last little place. This is just an underground storage room. And it's empty, so. And it actually has a hole in it, so. Very dirty place. I'm actually not sure if there's a room up there. Maybe there is. Anyways, this is their ranch. Our last hike at Antelope Island, and we're hiking on Dolly Spur. I'm pretty sure that's how the hike is called. This hike is 0.6 miles one way, so yeah, but there's also another hike here called the Fairy Peak Trail, but that one is kind of long. It's about 10 kilometers. So this is the view. We just started it. We're gonna finish it, and then we'll enjoy the sunset. Finally got up on the hike. This hike is called Doley Trail, and it's about maybe I would say 3 miles two-way. That way is the lake. The lake is obviously Great Salt Lake, and right now we're on Antelope Island. The view is tremendous, spectacular, so many words. Just sitting enjoying the view. It's almost, well no, maybe 2 hours from sunset. It's about 7 right now. Thank you. The bison is extremely close. I'm actually kind of scared. It is very close to me right now. But it's feeding on some, I guess, grass. Yeah, grass. Yeah, we ate that. We ate you in a hot dog not too long ago, bison. Yeah, I'm sure you're not too happy about that. Look how big it is. That's a huge bison. So strong and powerful. His head is huge. Yeah. This is the closest I've probably ever been to a bison. So we're walking to the sunset. This is probably gonna be my last video. So this is Antelope Island. And this is my last video of Antelope Island. This is one of the beaches. This is all sand. Probably used to be a mountain about, I would say 100 million years ago. But the sunset is beautiful. We're gonna enjoy the sunset right here. And then we're gonna go home. So yeah, the sun is so bright. It's reflecting off the lake. This lake, if you don't know, it's the Great Salt Lake, located in Utah. And right now we're on Antelope Island. So yeah, I really want to walk in the lake barefoot, and I actually will. I really want to, so I'll try it. And this is pure salt right here. So look at this. Oh, that's disgusting. Why am I touching that? But this is pure salt right here. Anyways, I'm gonna make a video of me walking barefoot in here. And that'll be my last video. This is the last sunshine. We walked all this way in the beach. The sand is very warm. Even my mom likes it. You like it?
Yes.
Like at first she was like, nope, no way I'm going in there. Is it worth it?
Yes, it is.
So, in spring and in summer, even if it seems disgusting, it's the best experience to go into the Great Salt Lake. Do it. Try new things. And thank you. This is the last little bit of sunshine. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I was wrong. This is not my last video. Anyways, these right here are bison's footprints. In my opinion, they look very cool. So these two are like, I don't know how to say it. You could say maybe paddings. Yeah, they're their paddings. And these are their actual hooves, these two right here. And this one just looks like a heart. So, different ones. But this one looks really much. And here's just a comparison. My foot, I mean, I have a pretty big foot, in my opinion. And their foot, 3 times bigger or something. Well, no, actually 2 times. Anyways, now I really can't say goodbye. There's the last of the sunset. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.